Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop fry step by step. First, trim and shape drumettes into lollipops, then season evenly. Set up 3 bowls for flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb mix. Preheat oil to medium-high heat and test with a small breadcrumb. Fry in batches for even color and internal doneness. Drain on a rack to keep crispiness and rest briefly before serving. Start by trimming each drumette into a lollipop shape, pushing meat down the bone for a handle. Marinate with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic for bright flavor and better crust adhesion. Set up dredging stations with flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs mixed with herbs. Keep hands and surfaces clean, and keep pieces chilled until frying to maintain structure and crispiness during cooking. When frying, watch the oil temperature closely to avoid burning the crust before the meat cooks through. Fry lollipops in small batches so the temperature recovers quickly for consistent browning. Use a thermometer or cut one open to confirm doneness, aiming for a juicy interior and crunchy exterior. Rest briefly on a rack to keep the coating crisp, then finish with a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.